Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung is all set to launch the Galaxy S21 series in January, and the most exciting thing about the S21's launch this year is going to be the addition of the S Pen support, at least on the S21 Ultra. The S Pen has been exclusive to the Note series in smartphones, and hence it will be interesting to see how Samsung actually introduces it on the S series. So a new report from Korea almost confirms the Ultra model having support for the S Pen, as Samsung has placed orders for digitizers for the S21. The digitizer is a component that is responsible for reading inputs from the S Pen, so this pretty much confirms the S21 Ultra will have it. Also, the company manufacturing these digitizers has already begun mass producing it, which is a given since the S21 is set to launch early next year. The report also mentions that the S and Note series will be merged in the future, but that there will be one Note smartphone launched in the second half of the year. Now, up until now, almost every major leaker has said that there won't be a Note device next year, but seems like Samsung might just give you one final iteration of the iconic Note. There is no information if that will be the premium model or the stripped down variant, but I'm glad we are getting one. And if that's the case, I think Samsung should give us a special edition of the phone to mark the end of the revolutionary smartphone series. Also, after being out of the limelight for a few years, Bixby will finally get some new features in the S21 series, including the ability to unlock the phone with your voice. So this is a new biometric authentication method that Samsung will introduce with the S21, and it seems useful as well, as a lot of the times you are further away from the phone and you might want to access Google Assistant or send a message, etc. So you can just ask the phone to do that for you. After announcing the S21 series, Samsung will be launching the Galaxy Z Flip 2 or 3 in the summer, and according to Ice Universe, it might get a 120Hz refresh rate for the display, which is expected as the Z Fold 2 also got the upgrade this year, so it shouldn't be an issue for Samsung to add it on the Z Flip as well. Also, the phone will get narrower bezels compared to the current generation Flip, which is always nice to see. Ice Universe also says that the phone will be cheaper, which is just icing on the cake. Moving on from phones to earbuds, so Samsung is expected to announce a new pair of truly wireless earbuds, and seems like they will be launched alongside the S21 series, as the device has already received FCC certification. The buds have the model number SMR190 and come in a rounded square-shaped case similar to the Buds Live. The documents also reveal that it will have a 500 mAh battery, USB Type-C and 2.5 watt charging. The earphones are expected to have an in-ear design, improved audio quality and improved ambient mode. We can also expect them to feature Bluetooth 5.0 with AAC, sweat-resistant, touch controls and Qi wireless charging. They'll also offer active noise cancellation just like the Buds Live, and will be the second only earphones in the Samsung's TWS lineup to offer ANC. That being said, do let me know your thoughts on the end of the Note series, which might come eventually, in the comments. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.